have some either paranoia or good sense of humor. I'm stuck with cleaning, so we're going to just start throwing away stuff. This looks like somebody's trash. Almost like they were living out of a car or something. Like the bottled waters. Sort of nasty looking shirt, some mail. Does have so I probably can't say it on YouTube, but it says 11620 weird address. Receipt from Half Price Books. Pilates Core Challenge. I'm really scared what's on this t-shirt. It's very dirty. Whataburger and Wiley. Double meat Whataburger with cheese, just like I like it. January 2021, so this car may have been sitting for a long time. Registration renewal. It's just the envelope. No info on it. Mattress Firm address. Jack in the Box. Something with no bacon. That was from January 19th, 2021. Kroger receipt from January 18th, 2021. Different groceries. I don't know if you can see all that. $25 bank deposit on December 30th, 2020. Burger, what a chicken bites, and a fajita taco. Looks like a gas receipt, but doesn't have any actual info on it. AutoZone. Blair's Heavy Duty Headlight Restoration Kit. So that was bought January 7th, 2021 for $29.99. So we'll see in a second if that is still intact. It is not sealed. Looks like somebody attempted to use it. she was in some sort of workout mode. Triceps, bicep, and shoulders, abs and legs, chest and back. What does she want? She scribbled out, good health, $100,000 to learn to play an instrument. Trash. Jack, that's the name put on here for La Madeline. Chicken pesto pasta. This looks like just trash wrappers. Earplug. Moving to the front, we have some sort of Starbucks wrapper, another bottled water, a bunch of these earplugs, manual for, looks like a timer, possibly a bicycle thing. Another mask. This is still sealed. Big AZ jalapeno burger. There's a date of February 07. No year. Another mask. Menu for Chico's Tacos in Allen, Texas. Wrapper. Another mask. Another mask. Walmart protection plan. No receipt in it. Toll tickets. $14.06 for a 2011 Kia. It's addressed to, again, that probably can't be shown on YouTube, but, and then he got something else, toll tags. Registration on a Kia. Same address, same name. And that was due during the pandemic. Nissan registration to Izmir, July 2020 to, I guess, June 2021. Must have some either paranoia or good sense of humor. Not schizoaffective and schizophrenia. I don't know if this was there to show cops if he got pulled over or what. There's a safety inspection June 2020, and it passed. So that's a good sign. At least it was passed inspection as of June 2020. He was registering it. And he got a 30-day permit, looks like. Pretty good. For Nissan, January 7th, 2021. Transmission fluid okay, brake fluid okay, power steering okay, windshield washer filled, air filter okay, tire pressure okay, wiper blades okay, belts and hoses okay. And maybe did an oil change. So you got Regal Lube and Oil in Wiley, Texas. And odometer in was 179,201, so this thing has more miles than I was hoping for. Got USB power plug. Pair of safety glasses. Got a little Polaroid, what's this, Fujifilm Instax. Some guy, can't tell what he's doing. Bunch of random junk, pens, pencil, whatever that is, some more earpieces, more earplugs, and a screw. Broken piece of plastic, something. And then in this door, we have an empty bottle of citrus air. A pair of safety glasses, demolished. Looks like a broken cord of some sorts. So, I think there's 17 cents total in the car, so didn't go totally belly up on this deal. Oh yeah, 17 cents and a set of keys that has a tag. This is dropping in the mail and it's guaranteed return, so I will drop that in the mail and hopefully that's a good thing that I'm doing. So this looks like it's one of those window screen things. I'm going to throw it away. It's pretty raggedy. Some sort of ice scraper. And the moment of truth, what is inside the zippered compartment. So it's some sort of like roadside emergency setup. You got a tire inflator, rope, blanket. It actually all looks brand new. Flashlight. No batteries in it, of course. Some gloves. So I won't throw this away, I'll keep that. So I pulled this up, there's a little rinky-dink spare tire under there.